Welcome everyone to our deep dive into secrets for building a 12K monthly powerhouse on Etsy. It's crazy how a few hidden strategies can turn handmade crafts into, a real gold mine.
Absolutely. I'm totally pumped about these tips. So what's one of the first tricks, like launching a micro niche idea?
Right, so one major move is starting with a micro niche, like say 2025 knitted pet sweaters.
Yeah,
It's like you check Etsy's search to confirm there's real demand and then add your own unique twist to it, like hand-painted details.
interesting. That sounds super targeted. And using the sold listings filter for inspiration really gives you that insider edge, right?
Exactly. It's all about looking where the buyers have already shown interest. And here's another neat hack. Using a $10 Cricut Joy with free designs from Design Space can cut your production time in half.
Mm-hmm. So you're saying that by streamlining production, you free up time to focus on like scaling and perfecting your niche?
Precisely. And speaking of scaling, pricing plays a huge role too. Think of setting a $40 base with an extra $10 artisan touch fee. That little detail can really boost your profit margins significantly.
Right. I get that. But don't you think that might risk alienating cost-conscious buyers? It's a bit of a balancing act, isn't it?
That's a fair point. However, the idea is to emphasize the craftsmanship, making it feel exclusive and high quality. And also, early visibility tips, like launching with a first 25 buyers exclusive color option, spark instant interest, and create that buzz.
Yes. That exclusivity factor is really clever. And what about those creative touches on listings? I heard adding something like an audio clip of the maker's process can draw customers in.
Yup, exactly. That personal authenticity gives buyers a behind the scenes feel, much like a mini story of your craft journey. It's like, inviting them to be part of the creative process.
Mm-hmm. And then there's the photography hack, shooting with a $15 LED light ring and a simple white sheet backdrop. It really makes your products look professional without breaking the bank.
Spot on, that visual trick is a game changer. Plus, think about adding a craft in progress photo set. It doubles buyer trust and shows the handcrafted nature of your work.
Right. Now, shifting gears a little, I'm also intrigued by how to efficiently tackle reviews early on. What's the tactic there?
One neat hack is including a $3 handmade thank you card with the first 5 orders. It's a small investment that triggers those initial reviews, kind of like planting a seed for future loyalty.
Yeah, I can see that working. And for those looking to keep up with trends, staying in the loop with Etsy's Handmade Highlights blog seems essential, especially to adapt monthly trends for, say, 2025.
Exactly. Staying trendy is fundamental. Plus, using tools like CraftCount's free trial to spy on competitors in a totally ethical way lets you tweak your best sellers by learning from the top performers.
Right. It's like you're always one step ahead by monitoring what works and then infusing that with your own unique handcrafted twist.
Absolutely. And don't forget about the secret for seasonal items. Pre-list those winter wreaths in September with a waitlist. It really builds anticipation.
Mm-hmm, clever. This compilation of hacks, from unique SEO tricks tagging one-of-a-kind 2025 craft to simple time management hacks like batch crafting with a free Trello board, really covers every angle.
Exactly. It's an all-rounded strategy. Niche selection, production streamlining, smart pricing, early visibility, and even repeat buyer tactics with custom coupons.
Yep. Honestly, these strategies are super actionable. It just goes to show that with a touch of creativity and the right tools, turning your passion into a profitable venture is totally within reach.
For sure. Whether you're building brand trust with detailed maker insights or leveraging affordable tech like the LED light ring, every little bit counts towards scaling to that 12K milestone.
Exactly. Thanks for breaking down these secrets so clearly. It's a real blueprint for any Etsy entrepreneur looking to make waves.